Struggling to get clicks on views? It may be because of your thumbnail. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to create thumbnails that will get you clicks and views. I'm going to be sharing with you 5 tips that you need to know first about creating thumbnails. And then I'm going to show you how to actually create your thumbnail in the most easy and simple way. And you know how to bring out the whiteboard. Here are the 5 thumbnail rules. First rule, you want to show your face to build human connection. So that means if you have an educational or personal brand, you need to show your face. You have a beautiful face. Just show it. Eye contact and your facial expressions make people connect with you instantly. And it helps build brand recognition so people know it's your video. Think about it. When you see my thumbnail, look, this one here and this one here, you know that's Queenie or that's Queen. Let me click on that video because you're familiar with my content. You're familiar with my face. So yes, I show my face in my thumbnails so you guys can be aware when I post. Number 2, we're moving away from those clickbait expression to a more authentic facial expression. YouTube has shifted in so many different ways. So I know you probably still see some of those clickbait thumbnails expression, exaggerated expression. A lot of us did that in the past. Now YouTube wants something more authentic, something that people can connect to. You also have to find your style. So you need to find the balance between being authentic and the expression. Number 3, keep text minimal and easy to read. All these different objects all over, it's taken away from the actual video. Your face should pick up a portion of the thumbnail and then the text should pick up a little bit of the thumbnail, all right? When it comes to text on your thumbnail, you want to use 4 words or less. You want to select bold but simple fonts. That will be easy to read on your mobile phone. And something you need to do is you need your text on the left side instead of the right side because you know YouTube plays all these different things on the right side, on the lower right side. So you don't want your text to be cut off. When you're creating your thumbnail, you go like this, or you go like this, or whichever side you're watching this on, and is it right or your left? But you want to put it on your left side, all right? Number 4, don't repeat your title in your thumbnail. Your title and your thumbnail should work together. It should not be identical. So your thumbnail is going to provide curiosity, like what is happening here. But then when they read your title, it will create clarity. The 5th one is you need to create a thumbnail template for consistency. And these are the 5 rules I follow when making my thumbnail. So let's go to actually create the thumbnail. We are here on the home page, but I already have a template. So I'm just going to show you from my template, okay? Here, I have different templates. As you can see, I have all these different things here. This one have 4 slides in it. So I'm going to show you my template that I use each time I create my videos. As you can see, all of my thumbnails similar, okay? So now I'm going to go and let's create one of them. So the first thing you want to do is let's change this one here. So I want to create a thumbnail. What I'm going to do is upload, and you're going to press upload file, and you're going to upload it from your computer. But I already have, as you can see, I already have a bunch of different ones here, and this is where taking different shot facial expressions so you know which one would work for your thumbnail. So let's do this one here. So I have these 2 here. Let me go and backspace, as you can see right there, and I'm also going to delete the text. So we're doing this in real time so you guys can see. I deleted the wrong one. All right, cool. This one is deleting as well. So let me delete this one so you guys can see. Background. I'm going to delete everything. I just keep the text, right? Going to delete this as well. So I'm going to add this picture here. Now, do I want this picture? Maybe. So I have different pictures that I can choose from. I can choose that one or I can choose this one. Okay, so you're seeing it here. Now I like this picture here. So let's go with this one. I'm going to expand it. Now, if I want it bigger, I'm going to expand it and make it bigger. I want it a little bigger like that, okay? So that is perfect for me here. Now, I want to blur the background just a little bit. To blur the background, I believe you do need to have the pro version of Canva, but there's things that you can work around as well. So I'm going to click on it and I'm going to click on edit and I'm going to blur the background. I go to, it have blur and then it have autofocus. I go ahead and I do autofocus. It just works better for me. And as you can see right here, you can adjust how focused you want yourself. I just go to the blur intensity and I put it on 30. It'll have a line here, it's going to come off just in a second. Okay, and it's come off. Now, the other thing you can do is you can also cut out the background, and I just need something very simple. Sometimes I cut out the background and make it like an overlay, but we're not going to do that for this video. So as you can see, the picture is coming together, all right? Do this now, okay? So this is the text that we're doing. To get it popping, this is what you're going to do. You just need to highlight it, go on effects, and make sure it's on lift. So you have none, you have shadow, you have lift. So you can bring it down or you could bring it all the way up. You're going to bring it all the way up. When you finish it, it look okay, it's still looking plain, all right? You just need to copy this about 3 to 4 times, depending on how popping you want it. And what you're going to do next is place it over each other. So look, and it will come together. You see? 1, it coming together. 2, as you can see, coming together. 3, you see how it popped now? Different from the now. And now I like to have a red background in the back of my text. So I go across the elements and I grab a shape. It's already here, guys, so I just need to go and grab a shape, okay? You can type in shape and get it, and then I just adjust it. I would just adjust it and I will put it behind. And then I just go ahead and I copy this. Copy, copy, copy. And I do the same thing that I did with the one on top. Put it on it. Ooh, position it properly. Position it properly. Position it properly. Okay, do this now. You see my face here? Done, and download. And there you have it. Now you have a simple thumbnail that grabs your viewers' attention, that have a balance between facial expression and being authentic. It takes between 2 to 5 minutes to create this thumbnail. And this is how I'm able to get more views and a higher click-through rate on my thumbnail, because I follow these 5 steps. If you're now starting off on YouTube, this is where you need to begin. Start with simple thumbnails, and even if you don't want the text, you don't have to put the text. It could just be your face, and that is it. This is the simplest and easy way to increase views on your video.